What's up, guys? I'm out here, we're working on the boat, and I just wanted to show you guys these Sonar Shield Livescope graph covers. I mean, these things keep the sonar like really protected driving on the road. A lot of times you can have gravel or just anything from the road fly up and hit these, and it pretty much totally ruins them. So these little covers here, they're hard plastic. They're molded to fit onto the sonar perfectly, and they snap down so they don't fly off. So you guys can go pick them up on their website, and they're amazing.